Thinking about moving to Jacksonville, Florida? Well, you're not alone. This city is quickly becoming one of the hottest places to live in 2025. In today's video, I'll share the top 5 reasons why so many people are packing up and making Jacksonville their new home. Let's dive in. Number 1, affordable cost of living. First up, affordability. So compared to other major cities in Florida like Miami or Orlando, Jacksonville offers a much more affordable cost of living. Housing is a big draw here. You can find spacious family homes and modern apartments without breaking the bank. Plus, property taxes and utility costs are a lot lower than the national average. Number 2, the thriving job market. Jobs. Jacksonville is booming with opportunities in industries like healthcare, finance, and logistics. Companies like Mayo Clinic, Fidelity National, and Amazon have a major presence here. And with a growing population, the local job market is only getting stronger. Plus, if you're working remotely, Jacksonville is a great place to live while still enjoying a solid career. Number 3, the incredible outdoor lifestyle. Jacksonville has over 22 miles of gorgeous beaches and along with stunning parks and nature preserves. Whether you're into surfing, hiking, or just relaxing in the sun, there's something for everyone. Not to mention the St. Johns River adds another layer of outdoor fun with boating and fishing, which I both love to do. So if you love being outdoors, Jacksonville is calling your name. So Jacksonville is also perfect for families. The city offers top-rated schools, plenty of kid-friendly activities, and a welcoming community vibe. Events like the Jazz Festival and Riverside Arts Market make it easy to meet your neighbors and feel at home. Whether you're raising kids or looking for a tight-knit community, Jacksonville has you covered. Last but not least, reason number 5, the culture. Jacksonville is packed with unique restaurants, breweries, and entertainment options. From local craft beer at Intuition Ale Works to live shows at the Florida Theater, you'll never run out of things to do. And don't forget about the Jaguars. Game days are an experience like no other. So there you have it, 5 amazing reasons people are flocking to Jacksonville in 2025. Whether it's the affordability, the job market, or the lifestyle, this city has truly something for everyone. If you're thinking about making a move, I'd love to help you find your perfect home. Drop a comment below or reach out to me directly by booking a discovery call. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. My name is Yasha, your favorite Jacksonville realtor.